Good morning, everyone. We were doing chapter number 4, Catch the Cat, English literature, and this is for class 3. So we have finished the whole chapter. We have done the questions, we have done who am I, we have done the spellings and meanings, everything, right? Now we will revise. This is your revision chapter. I have already marked here. See, I have already written here revision. So this is your revision chapter, revision video rather. So let us go through the story once more. That is, Dip Dip and Memo were the best of friends. They studied in the same school and Dip Dip was the naughtiest of all. Memo had a pet cat whose name was Capi. Memo lost Capi and came to Dip Dip for help. Dip Dip, can you help to find my Capi? Dip Dip assured Memo to go back to school and she will help her to get the cat. Dip Dip searched Capi everywhere, wherever she could. She looked behind the houses, she looked inside the dustbins, she looked even under the bushes. But Capi was found nowhere. And Dip Dip even asked every person around whom she met. She asked the people who were digging on the road that, have you seen a small cat named Capi? They replied, no, Dip Dip. Even the man who was drinking in the tea shop, he also did not know where Capi was. With sad heart, being very sad, Dip Dip went up to the little hill where she met a woman who was hanging clothes to dry. She heard about Capi and she thought, must be I have seen right there near the hill. Dip Dip ran near the hill and she saw a brown streaks. What are streaks? Streaks are colored stripes, was disappearing. Correct? And she understood that was only Capi. So she ran up and down behind Capi, and finally Capi rested himself on a big tree and branch of a big tree. With much difficulty and care, Dip Dip could rescue the baby cat. And then they happily got back home. Okay? So what did we learn from the story, dear? All the children, that we must love and we must care for our pet. Not only for our pet, but all the animals you see on the road or on the street or near the house. If they are sick, you will take the responsibility to at least inform someone and not just leave them and come back. So we must be compassionate, we must be lovable, we must have warmth, and we must love our pets. Okay? And most important, we should not harm them at any cost. We should not harm them at all. So I have few questions for you. This is your revision sheet number 1. See, revision sheet number 1. This is the first revision class of all the classes from day 1. Since this is the first revision class, so I have given you sheet number 1. Now, there are few questions and mixed sentences also. There is nothing, you don't need to copy them in your CW copy. No. Please listen to it carefully. You will not copy them in your CW copy. You will practice them only in your home. Okay? So I will read out the questions for you today. You will make the sentences today. And in the next video, I will give you the answers. So let me see how many of you can do it without seeing. Parents, please see to it that they read the chapter once and then orally you do the answers and then they can write. Okay, please see to it that they don't see the answers and write, or see the book and write. Practice writing at home. Since I cannot practice with you, since we are not meeting and in school, so parents, please do the needful and make them practice at least once or twice in a week. They have to sit with the writing part, okay, where they can just not see the answers and write, to evaluate that how much they can know, okay. So I'll read the questions for you today. Answer in one sentence only. So it will be in one sentence, not in one word, okay. Who was Dip Dip? Name two best friends. Name the two best friends. Who was Kapi? Who was Mimo? Why was Mimo tensed? Who wheels Dip Dip every day to the bus stand in the morning? Where did Dip Dip search for Kapi? What did the cat do near the tea shop? Where did he settle himself finally? Himself is the cat. Who was hungry? What was there in the lunch box? Number 11. What food Dip Dip offered to Kapi so that she comes down from the tree? I'll give you a hint. That is, cat loves fish. So what food Dip Dip offered? Yes, we all know this. I know you know the answer. Number 12. Is Dip Dip a brave girl? Number 13. Whose father bought her and Kapi down? Her is Dip Dip. Number 14. Who wrote the story? I guess everybody remembers the name. I'll give you the name. Tharini Vishwanath. Who wrote the story? The story is written by Tharini Vishwanath. Number 15. Mention the words that is used in the story to describe the movement of the cat. We did it in the second last video, I guess. Mention the word that is used in the story to describe the movement of the cats. So 1 to 15 you will practice at home. I will give you the answers tomorrow. Before that, you will do it yourself, okay. And there are few mixed sentences which also you will practice. You don't need to do it in CW. That is why I have not given you in as in CW. Like frightened, which is scared and afraid. Wheelchair, hungry, tea shop. Okay, we all know the meaning. Wheelchair, we know the meaning. Hungry, we all get hungry at some point of time. Tea shop is the place where tea is sold. Okay, like when we visited Shimla, we landed in a beautiful tea shop near the mountains. Okay, hungry, we were hungry and had roadside food on during our journey. Okay, or on our journey. Wheelchair, my neighbor goes around in wheelchair as he is a little weak. Frightened, we all were frightened when we saw the leopard approaching us. I gave you the make sentence. Don't write these sentences but make up on your own so that you can practice well. Okay, thank you for today. I'll get back with the answers in the next video. Okay, thank you.